how to lock a page in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock a page in Notion to prevent accidental edits or changes. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get right into it. First, open up your browser and go to notion.so. If you're not already signed in, click on the login button. Just choose the right Google account associated with your Notion workspace and you'll be in. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and open the workspace that contains the page you want to lock. If you got a lot of pages, just use the search bar at the top left or scroll through your sidebar to find the one you need. Once you're on the page you want to lock, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 dots, click on those. That opens the More Options menu. From this menu, scroll down a bit and you'll see an option that says Lock Page. Go ahead and click on that, and your page is now locked. This means nobody can make edits unless the page is unlocked again. If you ever want to make changes later, just click the 3 dots again and select Unlock Page. It's just as easy. Locking pages is super handy when you're working on shared workspaces or when you're done editing something and don't want it accidentally changed. And that's it. You've now successfully locked a page in Notion. If you found this helpful, stick around for more Notion tips and tutorials coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.